Hey everyone, Andy here at Cine Gear 2018. I'm at the ZEISS booth with Rich from ZEISS. Rich, we're really excited about these brand new lenses, the Supreme Primes. Can you tell me a little bit about them?
Absolutely. We've been working on this for a couple years now. We had an idea that full format cinema cameras was going to come eventually, right? So Red kind of started it. Now we have right now 4 really high-end full-frame cinema cameras from Canon, Sony, Red, Ari, and I think we're on the cusp of something that's exciting.
Yeah.
Because it's going to give the filmmaker another creative tool, another choice. Because it looks a little bit different than shooting Super 35, and I think it's going to find its mark and its niche. And it's great that we have a set of lenses that are really compatible with all 4 cameras. You're not locked into a single camera type. We cover the largest sensor size, so the VistaVision, we cover into the corners, no issues at all. We're going to continue with the same kind of future-proof concept that we started with the CPs like a long time ago, which for us was not just sensor coverage, but interchangeable mounts. And when we did the CP3 XDs last year, it was really metadata. Yeah. So it's the ability to kind of communicate all of the lens data, which is t-stop, it's focus distance, serial number lens, focal length. But now we're adding still our shading and lens distortion data.
So the CP3s that was available on the XD, now it's built into all these?
It's built into all these. So we've got encoders inside the lens. We basically take care of shading and lens distortion. It's tied into the focus distance and aperture, so it's not just one set of profiles. We've mapped the characteristics of the lens for all of its use. So regardless of what your focus distance and aperture is, you can drop that file into now Nuke, Premiere, After Effects, Resolve, and then control distortion and lens shading on it. So it's great.
Here you have 6 lenses. What's the whole set altogether?
Yeah, so we've announced a set of 13.
Wow.
So that full set of 13 will be introduced over the course of the next couple of years. So this year we have the 6 lenses in front of us. The 100 mil will start shipping December. We actually deliver our first set of 5 lenses next week. So yeah, it is. So 25 to 29, 35, 50, 85, all T15s. Start shipping, basically next week. Full availability August, so kind of open availability August. The 100 millimeter will start shipping December. 3 more focal lengths next year, 4 more in 2020.
So in the lineup of ZEISS lenses, though, we always know you have the CP, and the ultras and masters. Where does this sort of fall in that in your mind?
Right. So masters are still our best cinema lens. T13s, no breathing at all. Really a rock solid lens. These are really designed not to replace master prime and ultra primes. I mean, it's not the intention out here. It's to give the filmmaker another choice. So if we got like someone who's used to using ZEISS, loves the characteristics of a ZEISS lens, it's kind of neutral color rendition, loves contrast and the feel of the lens, but now it's starting to shoot large format.
Right.
Now we give them another option. So if they're going to shoot Super 35, we still have masters and ultras. They're going to step up to large format. Now we have a lens choice that is going to be comfortable for them to use in terms of look and feel.
That's great. How about the look? We all know the look of ultra. What's sort of the overall characteristic as you describe it?
Yeah, so we deliberately went with a neutral lens when it comes to color. All right, not too warm, not a vintage lens by any stretch. It's sharp when you're hit critical focus, but then the focus fall off is beautiful afterwards. It's very natural, and it's not. I think the fear for a lot of people shooting on a full frame is that shallow depth of field. Right, it's in out of focus. What we're hearing from the DPs who use these lenses is that they are able to hit focus quickly, but then to control that focus point was very natural, and then the focus fall off was really lovely. The bokeh on these lenses is beautiful, 14 blade iris, nice round shapes. So.
Great, these are fantastic. Really needed, in my opinion, a set like this of lenses in the market. That workhorse, that idea of a really high quality full frame lens, and ZEISS is the perfect company to make that. So it's very exciting to have it.
Yeah, and we'll see. Among the 13 lenses, 10 have the same T-stop.
All 1.5, right?
All 1.5s.
Yeah, that's great.
So from 18 millimeter up to 135, they're all T15s. From the 21 millimeter up to 135, all the same barrel dimensions. So 95 millimeter fronts, all nice and comfortable, lightweight. So yeah, we're excited. Interchangeable lens mounts, if I forgot to mention that.
Yeah. The EF and
LPL.
And LPL.
Yeah. So LPL and PL will use basically the Cook-I protocol
to
transmit the lens information. When we go to EF, it'll use Canon's protocol, so Canon data bus, and all that information will transmit over, and then we'll have an EMAP by the end of the year.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Take care.
Thanks.